So it's 2021 and a lot of men can't even tie a tie. So know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna teach you how to tie a tie. Stay tuned. This'll work. So I got a tie here. This is how I do it. Just take your tie, put it about middle ways down, something like this. I'm gonna show you a full Windsor knot. It's the only knot that I wear. Fold it over, take the fat end, take it under. Bring it back over. You're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So you're gonna take this the fat end, put it behind the skinny end. You wanna go back through again, just like that. Pull that through. Then you wanna wrap it around the front, just like that. Wrap it around. Take the fat end like this. Pull it all the way through. Slide it in that little pocket you done made right here. Slide it all the way through. Pull it down. I'll take the ends, pull them out, make that perfect triangle. Take the skinny end, pull it up. Boom. Perfectly tied tie. Try it for yourself. It's easy as Sunday morning.